Angela Critters. But we're making some really easy but delicious pork chops. They're kind of a thick cut boneless chop. I lightly brown the bottom, and then I have put some spice on top, just a little bit of all-purpose seasoning, and they are cooking in a little bit of onion and some fresh garlic, and they're simmering in some leftover white wine that someone left at my house. It's a really moist chop. Usually I make a cream sauce with the white wine, but this is a quick dinner on a weeknight, so I'm cheating and using a can of cream of chicken soup. Excuse me, cream of mushroom soup. The white wine is cooking down and really flavoring the meat. And in just a little bit, I'm going to brown the other side one more time, and we'll add the can of mushroom soup. The wine's cooking down and it's really flavoring the meat. We're going to stir it in and cover it on low. I'm not a fan of cream of mushroom soup, but it's my husband's favorite thing. And since he's eating the pork chops and not me, he's going to get it. I've got it all incorporated, and we're going to go ahead and turn it down. Simmer. Get much better than this. Tender pork chops with gravy over rice. Enjoy.